Hello prospectors! In this video I'm going to show you how to craft the Biofuel Composter in Icarus. Over on your tech tree you'll be able to find the Biofuel Composter in the Tier 3 section. You can craft this in the machining bench with the use of 20 iron ingots, 8 copper ingots, 12 concrete mix and finally 20 pieces of steel screws. Now at this point you should know how to make the ingots, so I'm going to skip that part. For the concrete mix, you have to make them in the concrete mixer. There are 2 recipes for the concrete mix. The first is using tree sap, stones and silica ore. The other one just uses crushed limestone and some tree sap. But before you can start making them, you have to connect the concrete mixer to the water network. Once you have the materials, just start crafting the concrete mix. This will take a while to make. So while that's working in the background, you can start making the steel screws. To make steel, you have to make the steel blooms inside the mortar and pestle. There's multiple recipes on how to make it, so just choose the one that suits you best. Once you finish crafting the steel bloom, just chuck it into a concrete furnace or a high-tier furnace like the electric furnace, and it should start processing the steel bloom into a steel ingot. Now you can start making the steel screws after you made the ingot, and now you have all the materials you need to make the Biofuel Composter. Now you can start making your own biofuel with the various recipes inside the structure. And that's about it on how to craft the Biofuel Composter in Icarus.